Kolade Koka and this is TOC. If you are just meeting me for the first time, this is where you feel the vibes and enjoy the cruise, and we are saying the truth. Feel the vibes and enjoy the cruise. We are saying the truth. Alright, but see, you're see. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. Your relationship is lori raw. I'm telling you from facts and experience, mate, your relationship is lori raw. It is like lover. Today, since it's love season, and I don't want my lovers or my viewers to fall into bad vibes, I want to tell you reasons why you are single, why you should stay single. Break up that relationship. See, let me tell you something. I'm going to give you 9 reasons. See, I bet you that 9 reasons, even if you have 8 pass mark, 1 will shall get you, and that 1 is enough reason to break up. You know, we always tend to feel when we want to break up or leave a relationship, it should be a hot red fight, sure you get, or a big drama. To them, there must be very wide reasons why we should break up. But see, let me tell you, there are some genuine and little things that are worth it. I'm telling you why you are doing a lie lover, why you should break up, and why it's necessary. It's fine. Break up. It has to go round, though. I've broken up in relationships. You need to break up. See, when I break up, I mean boyfriend and girlfriend, though. I do not say if you are married. Marriage is for better and for the better. Stay there, oh. Don't cut me. Say yes. Say don't cut me, yo. But I'm giving you 9 genuine little reasons why you are in a lie as a relationship. Go what here? Go bear. You don't need to do gidigbo before you leave, or you don't need to be a fight, because most relationship we are just trusting ourselves. I'm giving you some reasons, and you will know. I bet you. Inside that 9, even if 8 you get past man, that 1 will owe you. So guys,
call on me if you need somebody. Baby, to feeling lonely. Guess what? Lori raw. Lie lover. It is a lie. Fat lie. Okay guys, now number 1. When you can't count on each other. You might have seen this before or heard of it before. 2 people might be madly in love with each other. One of the partners might decide to be a total flake and continues to be unreliable, and the total flake continues to be unreliable and thoughtless at all. And now the funny part is that you might decide to have a passionate rekindling to start the old love process again. But guess what, baby? It is woman swing. Yes, woman swear. Do you know what? Come on, Leave it. It's not for you. Leave it. Totally. Whoa. See my face. Leave it. I can't rely on you. Alaye, see, forget. There's no vow gift for you this year. So leave that relationship. Leave it. Oh. I've tell you now. Leave it. If you don't love me, oh, no go dey talk say you love me, oh. I take this love seriously, oh. Baby, you're making no play me, oh. No go dey talk say you love me, oh. Don't play me. La 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 lie lover. Na lie. Big lie. Okay, I don't have much to say, but number 2, when you realize you need to be single right now. See, knowing how to be single is very, very important. It's important. Oh, ṣọ́ra fọ́kùnrin, kò ṣọ́ra fọ́bìnrin, Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú ẹ. When you feel you are relying too much on the relationship, babe, I swear to God, bro, auntie, you need to take a step back and relax. When you are relying too much, I won't say more than that. To be single. How to be single, so you be self-independent. How to be single is I cannot do without you. You don't know. Learn to do without you. That's number 2. If you're having this problem, you have to be single. You have to be single. At least take 6 months break or 1 year. Okay, the only breaks I've taken after every relationship is 2 months.
You say you won't be my lover, oh, oh, oh. You say you go love me forever. No longer beneficial. Number 3, guys. When you are losing track of your own self, some relationship can consume you and turn you to what you don't know, and you be like, Emilolade, get out. When you know yourself and you talk to something like that's time is for you to go. Jeje, they come out. Go through let go back to hello. You know say you wicked, or you know say you like any car. That's why I don't buy. Something is wrong, live there. Or you know say you do one kind. After that you should go do one kind. It's time, no. It's time. Now. If you leave, girl, I go sweat for you. All the money I don't spend on you. Kinikon. Oh, leave. Go. Leave that relationship. You know why? Now, what about number 5 or 4? Anyone wants to? If the fight leads to nowhere, like why should you even be fighting over the same thing every time? I know it's true. You are fighting over that thing every time. Me, I know you are fighting over that thing every time. That's if you're in a relationship. See, if that's the case, you need to. That's the door. You need to leave. 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 How can you fight over one thing every time, and your partner is not ready to support you or to show you, whatever. Well, leave. It's time to break up. You don't need red alert, or you don't need fire alarm. Leave. Evacuate. You cannot let go of how they hurt you. You know, it is the truth. When someone hurts you or betrays you, there's always this, and asks for forgiveness, there's always this wide pressure on you to forgive them. But it is not always easy when it is somebody you are dating or you are in a relationship with. Can you pay, for example, say you are in a relationship with somebody and the person he hurts you, he betray you, like lie, he cheat on you, because that's why they will see shit on all of us. He cheat on you, maybe addiction or something. It's actually, that's one reason you should actually let go, for your own emotional health. You know, right? Because, and even if you feel you can't, you cannot leave Lola day alone. And then and the person that did it actually think you should let go. My dear, you are totally in the right to play along. Let go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Was there a song like that actually? But seriously, let go. Oh, your own emotional thing is life, yo. No go they do pass yourself. Pepe. No go they do pass yourself. You no get money, you want do loud. Trouble they sleep, you and go wake come. No, but whatever we are just going through a rough patch. Sorry, but not sorry. We are just going through a rough patch. Bele, work of ages. Let me tell you the truth. It's so amazing when people just feel when they are going through issues and you approach them like, we are just going through a rough patch. It is a phase of life, it will pass. But you have forgotten, you are not realizing. You are not realizing that the rough patch has actually lasted as long as the relationship. Like what's that? It is the phase of life, it will pass. It is well. Like a marriage you go on to. Boyfriend and girlfriend, you say it's rough patch. Okay, rough patch. I know it's shaming. Be doing rough patch there. Don't find your square roots. There's nothing like it's just a rough patch. It is fine to have issues, but when the issues have lasted as long as the relationship, kilo day now. Leave, Joe. Break up. We would accept you in the single cadre. Break up. This val is not for you. You realize you have to deal with your own baggage. Well, see, if you can't stop projecting issues from your past relationship to the present one, it's time you need to move on. Because you got to shame there. You need to leave. Please go. How can you be kidding? I was not saying that you cannot be carrying what have happened your last one to be doing the is the person, is me the person. Serious, you can't forget what you happen for the clinic or because single, stay single, you just relax. You need to relax for like 1 year till you forget it. You don't live your past no more, my dear. But break up. If you have that in mind, break up. If you are doing like that, break up. They say I'm living in a rush. They say, see,
Number 8, yes, I remember. Number 8, when the relationship is doing more harm than good. Now, this one is very serious. I'm begging you now. When you feel that the negative vibe is pressurized, as in, is plenty than the positive one. And nothing is entering for you. Should I tell you one thing? Break up. Break up into pieces. Break it, scatter it, chatter it, slay it. Break up, yo. Why will you be mad and no go away? No, you're not in. Break up, oh. Break up. Break up. Namaste. Before I forget, my name is Ololade Koka and this is TOC. What will feel the vibes and enjoying the cruise? We are still talking about reasons why you should break up. Then the final and number 9 of the Ogologo dem of all. It just doesn't feel right. Sometimes, yes, sometimes nothing might be technically wrong. Because you got too much. You might have passed all the number 8. But this number 9, I tell you, that something doesn't need to be wrong, but you in yourself, you know that it doesn't just feel right. You are not feeling the vibe. You're not enjoying it. Break up. Yes, I said what I said. I will stand by this one. Break up. Break up. But before then, you need to weigh the passion or something. The passion to weigh. But see, if you can just have that feeling at a glance, it does not feel right. Break up. 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 See, I just a cash cruise shit, but you need to know. You get right. Break up if it just doesn't feel right. You're gonna feel alright. You get me? You get me now?
Okay. There are so many reasons, so many good and superb reasons to break up with somebody you're dating or you're in a relationship with. And many of them still exist. And the two both of you are still madly in love with each other. It's okay. Wow, it's very okay. But it's your life, my dear. It's your life. You don't need to feel guilty or worry about their feelings so much. I know it's not like so much. You don't need to worry about their feelings so much. It's your life, darling. When you feel it's not working for you, feel free to move on. I'm picking you, sure. Feel free to move on. And as you're moving on, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you should be able to feel the vibes and enjoy the cruise, but we are saying the truth. I'm adding that too. Feel the vibes and enjoy the cruise, but we are saying the truth. You know what it is? I am Ololade Koka, and this is TOC. More amazing content are coming up for you. I swear to God. Happy Valentine's and happy stay single. Yes. Stay single and have peace. Whoa. Funny, obedience is better than sacrifice. How do they call them? Something like that. Obey now before it is too late, yo. Valentine is coming. Valentine is coming. Who is your boyfriend? You follow advice, you stay single. But seriously, you don't need to. Valentine, no Valentine. Every time is Valentine. Every time is love season. Fall in love when you like and feel free to live when you want to live. This is Ololade Koka and I love you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms. I love you. I love you. I love you. Signing out. Peace. 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 Peace.